Hey out there, YouTubers, working on my homemade CNC machine. Coming along. Gotta love the zip ties, working great. Shop's a mess, but of course, it always is. These gears are actually copies from my lathe, which is over here. Actually use aluminite to make them, and silicone. Working out very well. Oh yeah, they're running nice and straight-ish. Y-axis is ran by a belt. X-axis has the gears over there. Also ran by a belt on each side. Working on installing the software. Piece of crap computer. Alright. Well, maybe I'll have another video next time when it's actually working.